Hello, I'm Oluwaseyi Jesusanmi, and I'd like to introduce you to Norman, the Novel Object Recognition Mice Analysis Network. This is an AI system that automates the novel object recognition test. For some background, the novel object recognition test provides a quantitative measure of mouse memory. How it works is that you have two objects in a box. One it has seen before, and one the mouse has not seen before. Since mice always prefer novel items and novel objects, if the mouse spends the same amount of time interacting with both objects, you know that there's some kind of memory deficit. This is calculated using a discrimination index, which compares the amount of time spent with the novel and the familiar objects. Now, how did I make this system? Firstly, I used Deep Lab Cut to track the mice among a range of videos. The dataset was 600 videos in total. Next, I used the object localization function to find objects in the box. Now, this was actually the most difficult part of the project, as I had to develop a new algorithm to do this, which could find objects it had never seen before across many videos. Next, I created some relative position calculations, and this was to integrate the deep lab cut tracking with the object localization on a per frame basis. Now, this information was used alongside human analysis, a trained human analysis of the novel object recognition test. Now, I use this to create a neural network and train it to give it an intuition of interaction between a mouse and an object. Now, to test how well this neural network worked, I used a KS test to compare the distribution of discrimination index across videos. Now, if you compare the Norman distribution and the human distribution, they are statistically similar. So that if you used Norman or a human, a trained human, you have the same result of your experiment in the end. It also had a per frame accuracy of 81%, and 81%, that's accuracy is per frame, so that's 0.05 seconds. So it's highly accurate, and also per video, the accuracy really depends on the deep lab cut tracking. Finally, this is available. So if you'd like, you can go ahead, download it, give it a try, and see what you think. It's got a user interface for initial testing, which is a lot easier. But if you're familiar with Python, you can go ahead and use the library that I made. So thanks for listening, and I hope you'll come join me at the BNA Festival 2021 and come to my poster and discuss. Thanks for your time.